All right, just before 8 o'clock in the morning. Sorry if my voice is low, but it's just before 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday of the 2024 R2 Northwest Builders Group meetup at the Museum of Flight in Seattle. First time R2's ever been in my car. Second time he's been out of the living room. First time was in the garage to put them all together and test drive him, swap around some leg motor wires so he's going left and right and forward and backwards correctly. I took him apart, put him in the living room, and that's where he's been ever since. So this event is for completed or projects, or bring your spare parts, meet up with people, etc. So I am bringing spare dome number 2, I guess you could call that. A box of my electronic parts with some extra parts that I can like give to people or something. A bunch of cabochons and various assorted other things. Go around to the back where I have got 2 legs and spare dome number 1, which is actually currently the primary dome, but I'm going to print the Michael Badley Mark IV dome, so I don't need that dome. That's the one that in my other videos has working TSIS light set in it, and hollow projectors and panels all hot glued in. So everything fits in the back there. I could have folded down that second row of seats also if I needed to, but this seems to work pretty good. Go around to here, and R2 fits in the chair perfectly. I decided this was a fairly good way to put him in, with the sides facing forward and back, because they're nice and smooth. They don't have too many things sticking out, as opposed to the vents and the coin slots and this top data port here that I didn't really want to strap tight on. It seems to be fine. I do not think this is going anywhere, even under hard braking. I thought I might run a strap around the entire back seat to double secure him, but I'm pretty sure that if I get in a situation where it would cause that to come off, that I got more problems to worry about than R2. Down here I have the batteries. And then here I have the rear foot, both protected, so nothing should be rubbing against anything else. On the other seat there, that's the plastic crate and towel that I put R2 on when I attached the legs. It also has some spare 3D printed parts and whatnots. So I'm pretty much ready to go. It should take me about a half an hour to get down there, so I actually am a little ahead of schedule now, which is good. I did this all by myself. It did take like 8 to 10 trips, because I had to first arrange some towels and make sure he would fit in here, and then started bringing the other stuff out, a lot of it in one piece at a time, but didn't take that long. So yeah, here we are, ready to head out. Okay. All right, here we are at the show. R2 is set up. Thankfully nothing shook loose in travel. I haven't started the controllers to pair with him. I think I'm just planning on kind of leaving him like this in demo mode, although I did want to see if I can get random dome turns to work. But we are here. Show opens to the public at 10, which is just about now. And there's quite a bit going on.